Bachcho, let us read the question. A space 2.5 centimeters wide between two large plane surfaces is filled with oil. Force required to drag a very thin plate of area 0.5 meters squared just midway the surfaces at a speed of 0.5 meters per second is 1 Newton. The coefficient of viscosity in kg second per meter squared is option A 5 into 10 to the power of minus 2, option B 2.5 into 10 to the power of minus 2, option C 1 into 10 to the power of minus 2, option D 7.5 into 10 to the power of minus 2. इस क्वेश्चन का की कॉन्सेप्ट है कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ विस्कोसिटी So viscosity is defined as the resistance to the flow of a liquid. So the ratio of shearing stress to the velocity gradient is called as the coefficient of viscosity. तो इसको it is denoted by Greek letter eta और वो है equal to F by A into D by V. तो F यहाँ पे है tangential force, A is the area, D is distance between any two layers, and V is the velocity of the liquid. So the opposing motion between two layers of the fluid itself will constitute to the coefficient of viscosity. तो इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने के लिए पहले हम जो डिटेल्स क्वेश्चन में दिए हैं उसको नोट करेंगे. Given space between the two large plates, तो इसका वैल्यू है d is equal to 2.5 सेंटीमीटर और अगर हम इसको SI यूनिट्स में कन्वर्ट करेंगे तो ये होगा 0.025 meters. The force required, so F उसका वैल्यू दिए है 1 न्यूटन. So area A is given to be 0.5 meters or velocity is given as 0.5 meters per second. तो अभी ऐसा है कि there are these two plates और इनका डिस्टेंस है 2.5 सेंटीमीटर. तो यहाँ पे at the midway there is a very thin plate which is having a area of 0.5 meter squared. So this distance is now 1.25 centimeter. तो पहले हम from this we will calculate the velocity gradient. तो velocity gradient को हम पहले calculate करेंगे. Velocity gradient v dv by dx, or in this case we can take it as dz, is equal to v by d by 2. तो वेलोसिटी का वैल्यू दिए है 0.5 meters per second, and this is divided by 0.025 divided by 2. So this velocity gradient comes out to be 40 seconds, 40 per second. तो अगर अभी क्योंकि दो प्लेट है, so each of these plates will contribute to an equal force. So each plate will contribute to a force F. So therefore you can say each plate contributes to an equal force, and we can therefore say, therefore F is given by 2 times eta A dv by dz. तो अभी हमें eta का वैल्यू कैलकुलेट करना है. So therefore we can say eta is equal to F divided by 2a dv by dz. So F, now we will substitute the values. F का value दिए है 1 Newton divided by the area is given to be 0.5 meter squared, and we found out the velocity gradient. उसका value हमें मिला 40 per second. So therefore eta comes out to have a value 0.025 kg second per meter squared, या फिर हम ये लिख सकते हैं कि this is 2.5 into 10 to the power of -2 kg second per meter squared. तो अब हम क्वेश्चन पे जाके करेक्ट आंसर को मार्क कर सकते हैं. The coefficient of viscosity in kg second per meter squared is, the correct answer to this question is 2.5 into 10 to the power of -2. The correct option is option B. Hope you have understood it well. Best of luck.